I'm Sarah Haverstick, safety advocate for Evenflo. Welcome to your new Shyft DualRide infant car seat and stroller combo. You're going to love shifting effortlessly from backseat to the street. From hospital to home, Shyft DualRide is there for all of your baby's first adventures. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your Shyft DualRide infant car seat and stroller combo. The first thing you will find when opening the box for the Shyft DualRide infant car seat and stroller combo is the quick start guide. Set this aside so you can review the key steps for product use later. Now let's check out what comes in the box. First, you'll find the anti-rebound base for the infant car seat sitting on top. Next, you'll find a bundle of accessories that are included with your new Shyft DualRide: the removable cup holder and the cup holder clip, the wheel wells, and certain models will also include a removable carry-all bag. Finally, you will find the infant car seat carrier with the stroller frame attached. With the infant car seat carrier, you will also find the car seat instruction manual, SensorSafe instruction manual, and product registration card. Please fill out the product registration card with your information so that we can get in touch with you in the event of a product recall. You can also do this on our website. It is critical to thoroughly review your product instructions prior to use. We have a number of videos to help you along the way, but the product instructions include all of the details and should remain with your infant car seat. You can store your instructions on the stroller frame underneath the infant car seat. Let's start with the wheel wells and the anti-rebound base. The wheel wells are designed to help protect your vehicle interior from dirt and debris that can collect on your stroller wheels during use. They are not required, but if you want to use them, make sure they are attached to the anti-rebound base prior to installation. To attach the wheel wells, line up the tabs on the side of the wheel well with the slots on the side of the anti-rebound base. Push down until you hear a click. Repeat for the other side. Let's attach the cup holder clip and cup holder accessory next. To attach the cup holder clip, slide it onto either side of the handle. When it is correctly attached, it should not move up or down. To attach the cup holder to the clip, slide it onto the adapter and press down. Remember, the cup holder may only be used in stroller mode and should be removed when you're using the product in car seat or carrier mode. To remove the cup holder, simply press the tab and slide up. There are a number of accessory components that come with your infant car seat's padding. The harness covers and buckle cover are provided for your baby's comfort. They are not required and can be removed at any time. The infant insert is designed to improve fit and comfort. It is required for the tiniest riders from 3 to 6 pounds. For infants larger than 6 pounds, use is optional. All of our fabrics are removable, machine washable, and may be tumble dried on low heat. To use the canopy, pull the tab and adjust to desired positioning. In car seat or carrier mode, you may need to push the canopy underneath the carrier handle. Included with select models, the removable carry-all storage bag packs whatever you need for the day. To attach, secure the carry handles around the belt guides on either side of your infant car seat. Then secure the plastic tabs into the channel on either side of the infant car seat. Finally, secure the fabric tabs at the bottom of the bag around the metal axle between the wheels. Now you're ready to roll. If you need further assistance, please call ParentLink Customer Service for real-time chat support and free live video installation service. Look for ParentLink at evenflo.com.